Let's get started with this first section. So in this first section, you're going to have your picture and the green screen background. The very first thing you want to make sure you do is use Control J to duplicate the background. So you'll have two layers now. This one's really just here for a safety. Don't forget how those eyeballs work. And we're going to be working mostly on this one, but this one's here in case we mess up. We can always go back to it. Second thing you may want to do is crop out areas that you know you're not going to be using anyway. Save yourself some time. And then the third thing you are going to do is you have choices. I'm going to be using the magnetic lasso. And you'll see that I will leave a little bit of messiness, but I'm going to go ahead and use the lasso so that I can cut myself out and then see what detail work is left. You don't have to use the method that I'm using. You could use a different one if you want to. I just like the magnetic lasso, and I find it pretty easy to work with. One thing you may not have been aware of with the magnetic lasso is you can use the backspace key, and it'll allow you to go backwards in case you accidentally pick something up that you didn't mean to. Around here I'm going to make a big jump because I want to include my earrings, so I'm going to be doing that with the detailed work after. Again, I'm going to use the backspace to get back to where I want to be. And because my hair is pretty curly, I am including a lot of this because I'm going to work on that when I get to the detailed part. And now I'm back on to the magnetic lasso part. I see that I took a little bit out of my sweater, but I'm just going to hope it looks fine. Again, I can use that backspace feature to get back on track. And then I'm just going to kind of swing across here. Press enter, and now I have my selection. So what I want to do is delete the opposite of my selection. So I'm going to go to select, and I'm going to choose inverse, and then I'm going to delete it. You can see what happened here, and here by toggling the eyeball I can get a better view of what's going on. So it looked like my shoulder part looks pretty much okay. I see a little bit of green in some places, so I'm going to work on cleaning that up. But first I'm going to start working with my hair. And to work with my hair, I'm going to really zoom in. And then I'm going to start using the hair tools in the next video.